In Brussels, thousands of farmers have taken to the streets, blocking major roads with tractors to protest a controversial EU free trade deal with Mercosur countries. The protests coincide with a European Union summit where leaders are debating the pact. Farmers fear that cheaper imports from Argentina, Brazil, Paraguay, and Uruguay would hurt local agriculture and undercut their livelihoods. During the demonstrations, tractors lined boulevards, some protesters threw potatoes and eggs, and fireworks were set off near EU buildings. Police responded with tear gas and water cannons to manage the tense situation. The protests forced the EU to delay the Mercosur trade deal until January, as opposition grows from farmers and some member states. Traffic remains disrupted in the Belgian capital as farmers continue to demand stronger protections for European agriculture.